This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change 2013 Nissan Sentra cabin air filter full guide. First, open the glove box and remove its stops to access the filter housing cover. Next, unclip the cover and slide out the old filter carefully to avoid scattering debris. Inspect the housing for leaves or dirt and vacuum if needed before inserting the new filter in the correct airflow direction. Prepare by gathering a Phillips screwdriver, replacement cabin filter, and a vacuum or soft brush. Sit comfortably with good lighting and remove any items from the glove box. Be mindful of plastic clips that can break and keep small parts organized to avoid loss. Confirm the new filter matches the old one, and note the airflow arrow so you install it correctly without forcing any parts into place. Lower the glove box by releasing the stops and opening it fully, then locate the rectangular filter cover. Gently unclip the cover and pull the old filter straight out to avoid spilling dust into the housing. Position the new filter with the airflow arrow facing the cabin and slide it in smoothly. Reattach the cover and lift the glove box back into place, making sure the stops click securely into position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.